All right, how's it going, YouTube? It's Mr.BuyTheDip back here with another video. What a day! Okay, one of the most exciting days I've had in the market. And I was, I was looking at my portfolio and I was like, this is exactly what I wanted. I sold off Nvidia around 135. I'll be honest. I think I got what I needed from Nvidia and I sold off. I do see AMD going at 140. I'll be as honest as I can. Here's a screenshot of my CashApp portfolio. Okay, what I have on CashApp. Okay. $230 invested, $10.99 is what I ended off on. Okay, the highest today was 127.53. I want you guys to look at this. We have been talking about AMD the past couple of days, past few weeks, months and months back, right? This is a stock that is the only stock I can think of after Nvidia. When we're talking AI, when we're talking data centers, when we're talking the CEO in Saudi Arabia with Jensen, AMD. Okay, look at this uptrend. 11 a.m. This is a coincidence. Had to been 11. Okay, look at the uptrend. So if you look, it's just a mountain after a mountain after a mountain peak, and that means we are in that zone, in that profit taking zone. Slash, the stock is going to run up. It's time for people to start buying. The new people started. The war, the whole thing with the war is like more. It's calmed down now. They decide they want to end on peace or whatever. Small news articles like this can bump AI stocks and bump so many stocks up so quick. Okay, I made a video yesterday saying a downtrend could be soon. I did not specify why. The reason was the whole war situation that's going on. But on top of that, also because of price action. I was specifically talking about price action. But overall, the whole Iran stuff and the whole war stuff starting to dim down a little bit, and that is great for the stock market. Peace equals more money. If America can sit down with China and say, okay, cut down on tariffs and do a couple things, that's going to help a lot of stocks. It's going to help the SPY more, Walmart more, Target more. A lot of companies that are importing a lot of goods from China, fast moving goods, it is going to be key and golden for those companies, right? Now, on the other hand, I want you to realize something. Okay, look at my portfolio. Everything is going great, right? Look at oil. Okay, when we're talking about Middle East, we're talking about Middle East countries. AI is going to go up because it doesn't involve too much with AI, Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Nvidia, AMD. This doesn't really involve them. Okay, when we're talking Middle East, what is the Middle East known for? Let's be smart here. Oil, right? So this is a buying opportunity for commodities like oil. So ExxonMobil and BP, British Petroleum, I want you to see this. It's time to get on the charts because this is when the money's made. I want you to look at this, okay? This was down today. So if you are looking at a safer buying opportunity, look at BP, ticker symbol BP. Okay, this is one of those oil stocks that you can have in your long-term portfolio loaded up. And I want you guys to, the dividend yield on this, I want you to do some research, do some homework on your own. The dividend yield on this is very, very surprising. Okay, look this up on your own. Go to Safari, go to Google right now, look up BP dividend yield. It's going to surprise you. And when this stock is down right now, plus ExxonMobil is down right now, this is where you buy in. If you got 10,000, 15,000 that you can just park somewhere safe, this is where you do it. Okay. And also on top of this, we have ExxonMobil and other big hitters that in the oil category got shot down. So if you look at ExxonMobil, another one, ticker symbol XO, I think XOM. Yeah, there we go. So if you look at this got shot down again today. I want you to see this, okay? So 11 a.m., it's the 16th today, right? We look at these big red candles. This is just news. It is fear. Like anytime we do something with the Middle East, oil is gonna go down. Okay, because that's where the oil is really generating. We need to be on good terms with them. So these type of things, gold might consolidate a little bit, but oil is going to be down. And I love having oil in my portfolio. It just diversifies it more. If you got retail consumer Walmart in your portfolio and you want to add something more safer, you got the S&P 500, you got QQM already in there, add oil. Okay, this is a very smooth ride. I would honestly add BP. This is only about 30, I think about 30, yeah, like 31 a share. So I would get this down here at, look for 30.96. put 10K, 9K. I will put 500, 600, you know, if you're not working with a lot. Hold it for a couple years, right? This is just money that you've parked and you don't care about, right? Your other plays are going to be booming on the side. We got AMD, the big hitter. That is where most of your money is going to be for swing trading. You got Nvidia long, you got Walmart long. That is how you make good moves, okay? Now, I want to talk about Nvidia. Do not disregard Nvidia. As soon as the news was put out that they're calming down, Dow Jones went up, NASDAQ went up, and you see these commodities, some commodities going down, but some stocks where the war doesn't affect the stock, they're going to go up. Okay, so I want you to read this. The AI chip giant traded above 145 per share. If y'all know me, right, y'all know I held Nvidia at 99, 100, 102, 110, 115. So when this goes above 145, what does this tell you? Is this a buying opportunity? No. If you want to day trade it, sure, do that. I'm talking about holding this for a few months, trying to get a quick flip. No, this is not where you buy. Okay, you have missed that run. I'm talking if you were in AMD, let's scroll down. Let's look at AMD. I got into AMD around 122 when I averaged down to 120, and I kept it right there. I was like, okay, I'm going to take it from 120 to 140, and I'm done. I'm going to get 20 points up on money. I'm done. I'm still waiting on that move. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you want to buy Nvidia and hold it for a few months for profit, hold off on that. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. I'm holding off to that because I'm doing the same thing. I'm long on Nvidia, but I'm also gonna swing trade Nvidia on a different brokerage. Stay with me now. So if I'm long on Nvidia and Webull, let's say I'm on a brokerage called Webull, I'm gonna swing trade this for a few months on a different brokerage like CashApp or Robinhood. Okay, that is where the money is made. You're making money two ways with the same stock. Okay, think smart, not hard. All right, now, why was the stock pushed? Involves AI war tensions being released. As simple as that. You do not have to complex it more than you should. There's no dark magic going on. Nothing. News headlines. I want you guys to download Yahoo Finance. Write this down. Okay, download Yahoo Finance and turn on all the news alerts on this. Okay, this is free game right here. Download Yahoo Finance. The news alerts on Yahoo Finance is going to make you so much money. When you see 3 news articles saying, oh, Trump and Elon arguing, blah, blah, on Twitter, guess what the stock is going to do? Guess what Tesla is going to do, guys? It's going to go down. So, and you're on your chart. All you gotta do is look at support, short Tesla, boom, get quick change on your money. And you can do this with anything. If USA is having problems with Middle East, guess what's going to happen to oil? Okay, they're going to be down. So all down, all buying opportunities. ExxonMobil buying opportunity, CVX buying opportunity, BP is a major buying opportunity. Their dividend yield is so attractive. Okay, now I said the same thing when DeepSeek. I meant to say DeepSeek. So when DeepSeek came out with their AI chip, whatever the heck it was in China, I said the same thing about Nvidia. Okay. These type of things are made so we can have fear in the market. People get the huge sell-offs, which is fine. So if you would have bought Nvidia around that time at $99 to $100 to $105, you would have been up over 15% on your money within just a few months. So I would say this again and again. In the past month, look at the return on Nvidia. Okay, in the 3 months, look at the return on Nvidia, 17%, and I just said over 15%. So the matter of time, it's only a matter of time till the money is made. You just have to load something up and look at their cash flow. Look at how much money they're working with. Billions of dollars. This company has billions of dollars sitting in cash. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, now. When we talk about positive news about the chips from AMD, I remember I told you guys this a while back. I was telling you guys about this, I would say about April or March. AMD had a new chip coming out, and towards the summer is when I said aim towards the summer to see profit to AMD. I stuck to my plan. I sold Nvidia on a profit, and I cut down to one AI / tech stock. I did this because I want to take a safer route. Okay, I want to take a safer route and load up Walmart and load up the S&P 500. Okay, so I still got AMD. I sold off Nvidia, but I still got AMD. I got what I need from Nvidia. I want to take AMD to 140, 145 now. Okay, now Partnerships on demand, companies like Microsoft, Meta, Oracle use AMD chips. Okay, so this is like a third-party company. This is what you guys need to realize. A third-party company is like they supply out to other people, as simple as that. So a car, right? They want a tire, they go to a different shop to get a tire. You have the car. A lot of companies have the hardware, they have the computers, they want the graphic card, they want the nice chips, they go to AMD, and it's not bad. It's up there with Nvidia. Okay, so Wall Street analysts have upgraded their price targets, and this news came out today, and it was very recent as well. Okay, and they upgraded their targets to 140 to 142. This is the key zone. A lot of people, they are looking for 140 now. They're going to hold this to probably till October, November, and there is going to be downturns. Okay, so I want you guys to download TradingView. Look at these things here and there. Look at these uptrends. Honestly, if you can just look at your brokerage platform, you can just clearly tell this is an uptrend. Look at the line. It's a mountain going upward from the left. Okay, I don't know if you guys took calculus, but basically it's going up on the left, and then the time where you sell off is pretty simple. I would sell off AMD at 141, 142. That's the range I'm going for. And by that time, let's say before going to 140, I see Nvidia under 135 in the next couple months. Guess what I'm doing? I'm gonna load Nvidia back up again. Okay, so as simple as it sounds, there is a lot of research connections you got to make through this. Stay updated with a lot of other investors as well. But my portfolio is right now S&P 500, AMD, Reality Income, Walmart. Okay, Walmart is down right now. I really want to see Walmart low 90s again, so I could load it up even more, collect dividends on it, not worry about it. All right, thank you guys for watching, like, and subscribe.